The fireplace is roaring. You're ready to be in comfy clothes after an epic day on the slopes. The cabin creek is what all your cozy après dreams are made of. Made from a super smoothie of 44% polyester, 30% acrylic, 20% nylon, and 6% wool. These semi-fitted joggers features a mid-rise birdseye jacquard sweater knit. Ooh, just look at the inside of this material. It is fully finished, it is cozy, it is ready to après all day. You have a ribbed waist with drawstring and rib knit cuffs at the bottom hem. Pair this with our Hillrose sweater for the ultimate après look. You could even throw a Herschel on there and a moonwalk if you want to do the full kit. It's a whole vibe, an après vibe, a Cavu Day vibe. Unicorn Farm approved. That is the Cabin Creek.